Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. What and when should you drink to be able to live longer? The scientists made a sensational statement, which put the network on its ears. It turned out that drinking coffee with alcohol can positively affect health and even significantly prolong a person's life. The study began in 2003. It involved more than 1,500 people. Tests showed that people who drank a moderate amount of coffee and alcohol during their lifetime lived longer than those who abstained from it at all. Also, people who are overweight, but not obese, at 70 years of age had a better overall condition than skinny ones. A scandalous study also showed that subjects who drank 2 glasses of beer or wine each day reduced their chances of premature death by 18%. And those who drank 2 cups of coffee a day reduced the same chance by 10%. Draw conclusions, gentlemen. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.